Hello everyone! Today's video is about nested loops. Nested loops means that you can have one loop nested inside another. We will take an example to display all the multiplication tables between 2 and 12. We're going to start by for loop. We will put inside the for the variable table which contains number 2. It means till it reaches number 12. Then we will go inside the for loop by putting another for loop. This is called nested loops. For we're going to put in variable count the number 1 to 12. It means till the count reaches 12. We will go inside the for loop and put in variable product the table which is 2 times the count which is 1. So the answer is 2. Will be saved in variable product. We will continue to print. So now we are printing on the user's page. We put variable table which is 2 and then put comma and put between quotations the times. This will be shown to the user, and then we put comma and put the variable count which is 1. We will continue to the next comma and put between quotations equal. The equal will also be shown to the user, and put the last comma and put the variable product which is 2. We will continue to next count. Now the count is 2. We will continue this for loop until the count reaches 12. It will display the last number 12. We will put in variable product the table that it's still 2 times the count now which is 12, and the print table which is 2 times the count which is 12 and equal to the product which is 24. Now we're going to get out from the for loop and continue to next table. Now the first for loop is table equals 3 to 12 and enters the second for loop. Now the count is equal to 1. This is the nested loop. This program will continue in the loop until the table is equal to 12 and the count is equal to 12, so it will display the last multiplication table of 12, and then the program will stop, since if we add the table 1, which is the last number, 12 plus 1, it's more than 12, so now it stops.